Hudson's mission at Kowloon was accomplished. He had discovered Dragovich's endgame, Nova 6. The nerve toxin so deadly that if exposed, you'd be dead before you hit the floor.
Dragovich's weapon.
Go back to Vietnam, Mason. Was Victor Reznov still with you after you escaped from the MACD compound?
Reznov was with me the whole time.
Are you sure?
North. We went north. Viet Cong. We were shut down. And Reznov even survived that. Dragovich's lapdog Kravchenko was there. He knew we were coming.
This is Hotel 9-1! We are going down in Sector Bravo! Tango 7-9er! Mayday! Mayday! Davis! You still with me? Davis, come on, Davis, talk to me!
Frank, you okay?
My leg! I'm bleeding! I need some help here!
He's dead.
They're coming!
Kill those bastards!
We gotta get out of here! This thing's my... We're going under, Mason!
Stay sharp, Mason. They're out there. Dead ahead! Take cover!
Sergeant Woods is very capable. You have chosen your men well, Wilson. I will move to high ground to look for Kravchenko's compound.
Understood. Stay close, Victor.
Lima 9er X-ray. This is Whiskey. You out there?
Yeah, Whiskey, go.
Woods. Thought we lost you in that chopper. What's the new plan?
You clear the southeast perimeter and meet us at the rally point.
Roger. Whiskey on the way. Over. Glad you're still in the game, Woods.
The rally point is just ahead. Bowman should be waiting for us. No noise, knife only. Shh, Charlie. Dragovich, Kravchenko, stand.
Never gets old.
Mason, fill us in.
Somewhere near this village is a military outpost under the command of General Kravchenko.
Been losing our FAC to AAA.
Probably a ZPU. We'll disarm it, then we'll bring in the Hornets. Whiskey team, you cover the bridge in the East River. Mason with me on the west perimeter. Rendezvous point, the village, in 5 minutes. You got it?
Whiskey team, on me. Later, boys.
Cleared East Bank, moving to the bridge. Sierra's at the north perimeter.
X-ray's clearing the west flank. ETA 3 minutes. We gotta split up. I'll take the high ground. You cross the river, find a place for the Semtex.
Roger. Explosives are primed and ready.
Sierra in position. Whiskey ready.
Roger. X-ray inbound. You got that detonator?
Right here.
Put a little present in the fuel reserve up ahead.
All right. Mason, let's see what this Semtex can do.
Go, 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 go! Weapons free! Keep your eyes open for that ZPU! Keep your head down! Let's go, Mason! On me! Area clear! Mason, get in position! Contact on the roof! Drop them! Eyes left, Mason! Take those bastards out! Spider hole, dead ahead! You're gonna need that spider hole!
on, Mason. Take it out. Once the air defense is down, we can bring in the Hornets.
Get that CPU on the river! Damn it! Mason! Get to that 202! I'm pinned down! Next to the hut on the river.
All right,
You
let's
see
hit
it?
it.
Charlie don't want to let that gun go. Look at those guys move. 1-0. Nest is empty. Objective clear.
Roger. Lima 9er X-ray. This is Kentucky. Green Hornets inbound. Sierra's at the north perimeter. Sierra's cleared the north perimeter, moving to the village.
Left flank. Target's on the roof.
Got it.
Get the cover! Someone drop a nade in the hole! Target down! We have a man down! He's down! Dock is clear! Move up!
We're gonna cut through this hut. Mason, lead the way. Mason, over here.
Clear the rest of the village! MG! Take cover! Contact! Push through! Let's go! Mason, make sure that hooch is clear! Movement in that hut! Right! Target down!
Rat tunnel up ahead.
I see it.
Charlie, 9 o'clock! You do that again, I'll kill you! Target down!
Rat tunnel up ahead.
I see it.
Fire in a hole!
We have to clear this tunnel.
Take it. Swift, with me.
All right. Look at the Hornets scouring the area. Move.
Lima 9, this is X-ray. Prep for recon sweep, 3K radius.
Here. Take this. Stay on. We'll find Yurkovchenko. We'll make it out of there alive. Bowman, point. Let's move.
This son of a bitch ain't fighting no more. Keep that light steady, Mason.
Reznov, you nearly took a bullet.
No one fights alone. I will work my way around.
All right, but move quietly.
What's wrong with you? Mason, you gotta keep...
Go ahead, Mason.
Swift's dead. We got VC crawling all over.
Lima 9 is sweeping the area. Just
What? You monitor. Crap.
Where is your friend Swift?
Dead.
We will mourn him later, Mason. There are signs of Soviet presence in these tunnels. We are on the right path. Here! Help me move this. Careful, Mason. I hear the enemy. Your turn, my friend. I will follow.
looks abandoned.
Grushenko anticipated our arrival.
And left in a hurry.
Look around.
Shit. Quick, grab the documents, Reznov. We're leaving.
Blood pressure, leading to fever.
Kurchenko had the place wired to blow! X-ray, do you monitor? Damn it!
Honey Mason! I do not wish this rat hole to become my prey!
Where the hell are you? We'll maintain a holding pattern until we have eyes on.
We will have to crawl our way out of here! Keep Mason!
Damn!
VC Mason!
Where are you, Woods?